Every day, unauthorized discounts and small procurement overages erode an organization's profit margins. While these deviations may seem minor on a single invoice, they accumulate into significant losses across thousands of transactions. Relying on accounting audits is a reactive approach. To protect the bottom line, the workflow must move toward a system that prevents these price deviations at the moment they occur. This is the default setting interface. The Price Settings tab is where you establish the specific logic the system uses to enforce pricing boundaries across the entire organization. Configuring these parameters shifts the organization from a reliance on staff compliance to a model where margin rules are mathematically enforced. The first point of failure occurs when procurement teams buy inventory at prices exceeding standard costs without oversight. Secure procurement in the Purchase and Cost Price Setting quadrant. The top checkbox prevents processing items bought above standard price. Set percentage limits to allow for market fluctuations without losing control. Finally, prevent unauthorized baseline changes in the master item list. Combined, these settings allow the procurement team to negotiate within safe boundaries while ensuring purchase orders stay within the established budget. With procurement controls established, the focus turns to revenue protection. Without strict constraints, unmonitored sales discounts can quickly erase the margins gained during the purchasing phase. In the Selling Price Setting quadrant, you can block users from selling below cost and establish a hard cap on the maximum allowable discount for any sale. For these percentage caps to work, your standard selling prices must be accurately maintained in the master item list before these settings are applied. Implementing a hard cap allows the sales team to negotiate with confidence, knowing their agreements remain within profitable, pre-approved limits. Prices are also vulnerable during the transition from a purchase order to a bill, where accidental changes or manual overrides can occur. To maintain consistency, you can lock the price across the entire document lifecycle. This prevents any modifications when converting documents from the order stage to the billing stage. Beyond locking prices, the system actively identifies cost savings during procurement. Within the Compare Prices section, it evaluates different vendors, automatically selecting the most cost-effective option based on total invoice or individual item. Automating these comparisons ensures the system consistently prioritizes the lowest available vendor rates, reducing the total cost of goods without requiring manual review for every order. There is also the matter of internal data privacy. Wholesale cost data is sensitive and should generally be hidden from staff members who only handle physical inventory. In the Item Receipt section, you can choose to hide the cost price on receiving documents. This keeps your financial margins confidential, while still allowing warehouse staff to verify item quantities. Once these settings are configured, they must be saved correctly. Simply closing the window or using the F10 key will cause all of these configuration changes to be lost. To apply these safeguards to the database, you must click OK at the bottom of the interface. With these settings locked, the system now automatically monitors vendor pricing and enforces strict discount limits, protecting your company's profit margins at every step of the workflow.